Hi, everybody. Marino from Marino's Mysteries here. And I've just finished completing building my computer. So, what I'm going to do here is turn the power supply on in the back. And that's a good sign. This is the first time I'm lighting it up. And there's the power button. And I'm getting an indicator. And the memory's lighting up, and whoop, now I'm just waiting for a post, and there's the post. So there we go. Now there's a video coming on the entire build, and it's gonna be cool. So stay tuned and don't miss it. Marino's Mysteries.